How to create an OpenAI API key. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can create an OpenAI API key. So to get started, first open your browser and go to the search bar. Type in platform.openai.com and open the official OpenAI website. Once you're on the site, if you already have a chat account, just click Login at the top right corner and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. This account will work for both Chatty and the OpenAI API. After logging in, you'll see a menu with several tabs on the left side of the screen. At the top of that menu, there's a search bar. Type API keys into the search bar and hit enter to go to the API keys section. To continue, click on the green button that says Create New Key. A menu will pop up asking for a name and optionally a project. Just enter the details and then click Create Secret Key to generate your API key. You'll now see your new API key. Make sure to copy it immediately because once you click Done, you won't be able to view it again. If needed, you can always delete this key and create a new one later. Lastly, to actually use your API key, your account needs to have credits. Click on Settings, go to Billing, and then select Add to Credit Balance to top up your account. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.